Are you tired of waking up with painful leg cramps or feeling your legs grow weaker with every passing year? Don't accept it as just aging. The truth is, your body may simply be missing the right nutrients. In this video, we're revealing the top 7 vitamins to strengthen your legs and prevent cramps, simple, natural solutions that can restore your strength, protect your bones, and keep you moving with confidence. If you want legs that feel powerful, steady, and pain-free, stay with me because this could change the way you walk into the future. The first key is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, and for good reason. Vitamin D is perhaps the most powerful nutrient for seniors when it comes to muscle function and bone stability. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles lose their coordination, your reflexes slow down, and your bones become fragile. The danger here is subtle but serious. Weak muscles, combined with fragile bones, create the perfect storm for falls and fractures, two of the biggest threats to independence in later life. But here's the good news. With vitamin D, your legs can regain balance, power, and the quick reflexes that allow you to catch yourself if you stumble. It's like giving your body a built-in safety net. Just a little morning sunlight on your skin, or foods like salmon, sardines, and mushrooms, or a safe supplement recommended by your doctor can make a world of difference. Vitamin D doesn't just support bone density, it activates fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones that give you quick reaction times and prevent falls. Imagine how much more confident you'll feel knowing your body has the reflexes to protect you when life throws a challenge your way. Next comes calcium, the mineral that is famous for bone strength but is also critical for muscle power. Your legs are the pillars of your independence, carrying the weight of your entire body day after day. Without calcium, those pillars start to weaken and crack. Bones lose their density, making fractures more likely, especially in the hips, femur, and ankles areas vital for mobility. But calcium doesn't stop at bone health. It also fuels every muscle contraction, every step you take, every time you rise from a chair. Every movement depends on calcium ions, triggering your muscles to contract. Without calcium, muscles cramp, spasm, and lose the force needed to keep you steady. With it, bones remain strong, muscles stay energized, and movement becomes smooth and controlled. Foods like dairy, leafy greens, almonds, tofu, and sardines provide excellent sources of calcium, and when combined with vitamin D, calcium is absorbed and directed where it's needed most. Think of them as two hands clasping firmly to keep you standing tall and steady against time. The third nutrient is vitamin B12, the silent guardian of your nervous system. If you've ever felt your legs heavy and tired, noticed tingling or numbness in your feet, or felt unsteady when walking, B12 deficiency may be the hidden reason. Vitamin B12 is what keeps your nerves sharp and ensures that the messages from your brain reach your leg muscles quickly and clearly. Without it, those messages arrive weakly or not at all, leaving you unsteady and unstable. Unfortunately, B12 deficiency is shockingly common in seniors because, as we age, our stomach acid production decreases and absorption becomes more difficult. Add in medications like antacids, and you have the perfect recipe for depletion. But here's the uplifting truth. When you restore B12 levels through fish, eggs, dairy, or supplements, the change is powerful. Your steps become more precise, your balance steadier, and your energy renewed. Many seniors who thought their decline was just aging were astonished to discover that restoring B12 restored their legs, their coordination, and their confidence. This vitamin is not just about muscle, it is about communication between the brain and body, and that communication is everything when it comes to mobility and independence. Fourth comes magnesium, the quiet hero that too many people overlook. Magnesium is the mineral that makes sure your muscles contract and relax smoothly, preventing those sudden painful cramps and the frustrating restless legs that keep you up at night. If you've ever felt your legs lock up with searing pain in the middle of the night, that's often your body crying out for magnesium. Stress, medications, and even age itself deplete this mineral, leaving many seniors unknowingly deficient. But when you replenish magnesium through leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, black beans, avocados, or supplements, the transformation is almost immediate. Cramping subsides, muscles feel more relaxed, and sleep becomes deeper and more refreshing. Magnesium also plays a crucial role in bone strength by regulating how calcium is deposited in your body. Without magnesium, calcium may not be directed properly, increasing stiffness in your joints. With magnesium, however, bones and muscles both thrive. Imagine going to bed without the fear of being woken by painful cramps and waking up with legs that feel ready to carry you through the day. That's the gift of magnesium. The fifth nutrient is potassium, the mineral of balance and stability. Potassium is what allows muscles to contract smoothly and prevents cramps from seizing your calves without warning. When potassium levels run low, your legs may tremble, your steps may feel unsteady, and even standing for long periods can feel exhausting. Potassium also plays a critical role in bone health, helping to neutralize acids in the body that can erode bone density over time. This means it doesn't just prevent cramps, it actively protects your bones against osteoporosis. Foods rich in potassium are plentiful. Bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, beans, oranges, and avocados are excellent choices. Even a simple baked potato with the skin can provide a huge potassium boost. When your diet is rich in potassium, your movements become smoother, your legs feel lighter, and your risk of falls decreases dramatically. Imagine walking without that shaky feeling, free from the fear that your legs will suddenly give out. That's the stabilizing power of potassium. Sixth comes vitamin K, the unsung key to bone and joint health. Most people think only of calcium and vitamin D when it comes to bones, but without vitamin K, those nutrients cannot do their jobs effectively. Vitamin K directs calcium into your bones where it belongs and prevents it from depositing in your arteries or joints, where it causes stiffness and poor circulation. Without vitamin K, bones weaken and arteries harden, a dangerous combination. But with it, bones grow denser, joints stay flexible, and circulation remains healthy. Vitamin K is abundant in leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens, as well as in fermented foods like natto and aged cheeses. Seniors who make vitamin K a regular part of their diet often notice their knees feel less stiff, their movements smoother, and their overall strength improved. If your knees ache when you get up or feel stiff after sitting too long, vitamin K may be the missing piece. It doesn't just protect bones, it protects the freedom to move comfortably and without pain. And finally, vitamin B6, the spark of endurance. Vitamin B6 is responsible for helping your body produce red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your muscles. Without enough B6, your muscles tire quickly, your legs feel heavy, and even short walks can leave you exhausted. B6 also keeps your nerves firing properly, preventing the tingling, numbness, and weakness that often creep up in older age. With B6, every step feels more energized because your muscles are receiving the oxygen they need to perform. Foods like salmon, chicken, bananas, potatoes, and chickpeas are simple ways to supply this vital nutrient. And for seniors struggling with low energy or slow recovery, B6 can be a game changer, restoring vitality and stamina. Imagine being able to walk longer, climb stairs without exhaustion, and enjoy activities without feeling drained. That's the power of vitamin B6. Now, let's bring this all together. These 7 nutrients, vitamin D, calcium, vitamin B12, magnesium, potassium, vitamin K, and vitamin B6, are the foundation of strong, healthy legs. They are not expensive, they are not complicated, and they are not out of reach. They are already in the foods you eat, the supplements you can easily access, and the habits you can start today. Together, they protect you from cramps, stiffness, weakness, and falls. They give you back your independence, your freedom, and the confidence to live boldly. Aging does not have to mean slowing down, it can mean becoming wiser about how you nourish your body. And when you give your legs what they need, they will carry you forward into a future full of energy, dignity, and joy. If this message has touched you, if you want to keep your legs strong, your balance steady, and your independence unshakable, then I have a simple request. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Seniors Hub, share it with your loved ones so they too can benefit, and leave a comment below telling us your age and where you are watching from. We read and reply to every single one. Together, we are building a community of strength, wisdom, and health for seniors everywhere. Don't keep this knowledge to yourself, share it, spread it, and let's walk this journey side by side, strong, steady, and unstoppable.